What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Google AI Professional Certificate. I've had a lot of people reaching out to me asking if this is something that they should take. And up until now, I've just said, hey, I haven't taken it myself, just go check it out, look at the reviews. But I had enough people asking about it where I just decided I'm going to take the entire thing and make a full video on it. I completed the entire certificate myself, which is comprised of a lot of different courses put into one. And I will say, I think overall it is really great. I've been using AI a ton over the past several years. And so, of course, I knew a lot of the things that were already in these courses, but I will say I even picked up some things that I did not know. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump onto my screen. I'm going to show you the certificate and all the courses that are in it. I'm going to walk through a lot of the highlights and some of the things that you should know before you actually start taking this certificate. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump right onto my screen and get started. All right, so this is the homepage for the Google AI Professional Certificate. As you can see, there are a ton of people who have taken this. I did not know so many people had taken it, but it has great reviews. Now, there are some things that I want to highlight just on this page before we jump into it. One is that it's beginner level, and I completely agree with that. Anybody can take this if you don't have any experience with AI, but even if you do have some experience, there's still things that you can learn like I did when I took it. It says it takes about 8 hours to complete, and I think if you're a complete beginner, I think that's pretty accurate. Now, let's come down here and let's take a look at what is actually in this certificate. As I mentioned before, it's made up of a ton of different courses. It starts with AI fundamentals, then goes to AI brainstorming and planning, AI for research and insights, AI for writing and communication, AI for content creation, AI for data analysis, and AI for app building. Now, I myself am a data analyst by trade. That's the kind of content that I focus on. And so I was, really interested to see what this one specifically was going to be like. I will say I liked it. I really enjoyed this AI for app building because I haven't really done that before too much. I don't build a lot of apps. And so that one to me was one that I learned quite a bit from. At the end of it, you're going to earn a career certificate. So of course, you're going to get that at the very end once you complete all of the courses. If you start this course, you also get some extra benefits from Google, which are really nice. The first thing is that you're going to get Google AI Pro at no cost for 3 months while you are taking this certificate. And even if you finish this certificate early, you'll still get access for those 3 months. That AI Pro tier gives you access to some great models that Google has, and you get 5 terabytes of storage included with that plan. That should give you plenty of storage for basically anything that you want to do. Now I'm going to take you through and kind of highlight some of the things that you are going to see within this certificate and within these courses. Something that I really liked were the hands-on labs, and it'll look something like this. This is within the AI for data analysis. We have build with AI, clean a dataset. This is something that every data analyst that's ever existed has done, and now they want you to do it with AI. If we come over here and we launch this lab, it's going to bring us to this page. This is the one that I always chose. I have a big monitor, so I just clicked on this one. Let's go ahead and choose Learn Side by Side. In these labs, we have Google Gemini right over here on this left-hand side. We are basically using a virtual machine on this left-hand side with access to our actual Google account while we follow along on the right-hand side. And so it actually walks us through how to do this, and then you follow along. So there are very specific instructions on exactly what you need to do, and you just learn a lot by being more hands-on. The next thing I want to point out is the instructors. Now, all of these instructors work for Google. There were some that really stood out to me throughout the course, ones that I personally really liked. This is Mahi. She was just super blunt, to the point, and just laid it out really well. It wasn't a ton of fluff. I personally loved that. I just liked the way that she talked, and she's in lots of the other courses as well. Google tends to choose really great instructors. Mahi was one of the ones that I personally really liked. Another one that I really liked was this guy right here. This is Amar. He was in the app building right up here. So I, again, learned a lot from the app building one because I didn't know much about this one personally. And so Amar just had a lot of really great personal stories. And that's what I personally look for in a good course. I like somebody who's good at storytelling, who is good at actually presenting the information. And so these are just some of the instructors that I personally really liked, but I think overall, all the instructors were really good. Throughout each course, there's a lot of different ways you learn. We've already looked at labs, and of course, there are videos with instructors. There are going to be some things where you're just reading content and it gives you some really good information, but we also have graded assignments like this right down here. I, of course, have already done all the assignments, but within this AI for content creation one, there is an assignment right here. This is basically like a quiz where it's multiple choice and you need to go in and select the correct answer. Let's go ahead and just retry this one really quick just to show you what it looks like. The questions within the quizzes are not just, what is an LLM or a prompt. It walks you through different scenarios and you need to kind of figure it out. For some of these quizzes, they were a bit challenging, and I personally like that. I didn't want them to just be super boring and simple. These are ones that I personally had to really think about and answer. You can pause it right now and you can look at this first or second question and you can try to answer them. They do really make you think about what is the best way to handle this scenario. There were times within these quizzes, especially within the content creation course and the app building course, where I really had to think about these, and there were times I had to retake a quiz or two. But I would say that is a good thing because I really had to think about these things, and these were the ones that I probably learned the most from within this certificate. Overall, I actually really liked this certificate. I think it went a lot more in depth than I thought it was going to go, especially because I've been using AI a ton over the past several years. I didn't think I was going to learn a lot, but there were certain things that I picked up and I've actually used since taking the certificate. I'm a big fan of hands-on learning, so I really like the labs. I thought all the instructors were really good. Of course, I had my personal favorites, but all the instructors are really solid, and of course, they're really knowledgeable. They all work at Google, a lot of them specifically on the AI teams. And with that hands-on learning, you get to actually build things. Here is the app that I actually built in that last course. It's just a simple app where I can write down, things that I appreciate about my wife. And then at the end of the week, it summarizes all those things for me. So I know all the things that I was appreciating her for this week. Again, I just like being really hands-on. I like building things. So for me, this was probably one of the biggest highlights of this course. I think if you're new to AI and you're just picking it up, this would be like the perfect course for you just because it is very, very broad. It covers a ton of different areas and it goes pretty in depth. And so I think it covers a lot of really great topics to know. If you already use AI and there are areas or different courses in there that you're like, oh, I haven't done it for that, but I'd be interested in that, I still think it is a pretty solid certificate to take because it covers all these different areas. In my opinion, this certificate gets 2 thumbs up. I think it was really good. If you want to take this certificate and you want to take these courses, I will leave a link down in the description so that you can go and check it out. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.